What is up, you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Automotive. My dash is currently torn apart and I will show it to you in a second. I am going to be switching out my old, I think it's a 3.5 inch Holley screen for the 6.86 Prodash, which I will leave a link down below if you guys want to buy it after this video, and I will show you an unboxing of it. I'm also going to be trying out this Revisions Raceworks dash mount. It's specifically for the stock dash in this car, so we're gonna see how that works out, and I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'm sure it'll look way better than the stock gauges that don't even work. This thing is beautiful. Also comes with everything to wire it. And this might be another video. Okay, so I went ahead and tore apart the majority of this dash. I did that because this channel is PG-13 and you can only say so many cuss words until it's rated R. And I didn't want to have to edit all that out. Also, I'm working with the most fragile dash piece here. And if I broke that, I wouldn't be able to post this video. So yeah, so I went ahead and tore this apart. Basically, all I have left here is to get my stock gauges out, and then I'll show you kind of how my old screen was mounted, and then I'll show you the new one that's gonna be a lot cooler. Okay, so this is what my dash currently looks like. Obviously, I've got the wiring back there that you can see because of my switch panel, and then this is what it kind of looked like before, but with that piece. This is what it looked like before, but this is the 3.5 screen, and it's just Velcroed on, and I believe my dad custom made that, which it works very well, so thank you to him. And it's just bolted onto here, and then we just have to take this out, and then we can take this off, and then we can replace it with the Revision Raceworks and the new screen. You guys see what I'm doing? Okay. Just like that. Old dash, new dash. Super excited for that. So set that down there. Then I'm gonna take this old mount off, and then we will put the new one on, which I'm really excited about now. found something. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys how to wire the Prodash until another video. That'll be its own video, because if not, this whole video would be like 6 hours long. Anyways, one issue that I just found on this dash, which is, it's not that big of a deal. Obviously, you can cut this pretty easily. It's just plastic. But there is a connector on the back of here on this Prodash that has to fit through this hole, and it comes down about to here, which means you're gonna have to cut this. Like 100%, there's no way around it. But because I have to wire it and because I have to cut that, I'm not gonna put this whole dash back together, because that would just be a headache. So I'm gonna show you guys what the final product will look like. And if you watch my other video of me wiring the Prodash, then you will see it all finished. But I will kind of mock up what the dash is going to look like. I also do want to mention that they sent me this one as well. It was actually for my 3.5 screen. I just never had the chance to actually put it on there, but really cool that they have different options, especially just a quick little adapter that goes on there. But yeah, same stock bolts in there, and it looks pretty sick. It's gonna look pretty sick once it's all wired in there and the dash is put together. So let me mock up the dash a little bit so you guys can see what it's going to look like. Okay, so while mocking that up, I actually ran into issue number 2, which could simply mean that my stock dash is a little bit warped, or their 3D print is not perfect for what it is, which I promise you it's a 1993 car. It could definitely be my dash. I'm not blaming them. And it's simply a 3D printed dash. So I can easily just sand it down. Like it is not a big deal whatsoever. So don't make that, don't make this the reason why you don't buy it, is what I'm saying. So ignore my shift light that I need to take out, but right there, it's at the very top here. And that means that the whole dash will not stick. Okay, well, the whole dash will not move back until I grind down right here and probably up here. But like I said, nothing crazy. I actually really do like the look of it. It's gonna look really, really awesome, and I'm really excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of short, and I know it was just kind of like a review and a mock-up of something, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys will stick around to watch me actually wire in this Prodash, because that's going to be fun. I enjoy wiring, and I haven't done it in a while, and I'm excited to get back into it. So one thing before I go, I do want to show you guys 2 things. One, this merch from RACIN PAYTON. On the back it says the best man for the job is a woman, and I love that, and she's one of my very good friends, so I want to support her and shout her out for her merch. And then another thing is this Women in Wheels track pack. No, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I just think it's really cool. All the stuff that is included in the pack is like perfect for race day, especially there being a marker for your window and a pin for your tech cards and hair ties, sunscreen, etc. You guys will just have to buy it and see what's in it, but it's awesome. So I just wanted to give it a huge shout out. And before I go, obviously I need to say a huge thank you to holleyefi, motul, BTR, Mincer, and Heatwave. Without them, this wouldn't happen, and without you guys watching, it sure as the heck wouldn't happen. So I want to say huge shout out to you guys. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and I will see you next week.